What's up guys, welcome back to Forex and cryptocurrency. Go to your trading view guys and change your candlesticks into Heikin Ashi candles because they show nice price movement over time, and we can see we are in an uptrend position. Go to your indicator section and search for the moving average exponential, that is the EMA, and then click on it. It acts as support and resistance. In this case, go to the settings and make it blue and make it to be thick so that it can be seen. Then go to the input section, adjust the length to be 200 and the method change it to EMA method, and also the length change it to be 200. Click on OK. It acts as support in this case. Go to the indicator section, search for super trend indicators. This is the Bollinger Band Killers, and it's way more accurate than the Bollinger Bands themselves. Click on them, and first of all, let's adjust some settings so that I can show you how they work. Go to the super trend settings, and here, first of all, let's go to the input section and adjust the length to be 18. And the mult, adjust it to be 5. Go to the style section and let's adjust the thickness of the upper channel and also the average line. Let's adjust the thickness of the average line and also adjust the lower channel line to be a little bit thick so that you can see how they work. Click on OK. Let's add our last indicator, that is the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, and it comes at the lower part of your screen. And let's adjust the MACD line and the signal line. Make sure they are blue and orange. The first length should be 12 and the slow 26, and the signal line should be 9. This is the MACD line and the signal line. And adjust the blue line to be a little bit thick so that it can be seen, and also the signal line, let it be a little bit thick so that it can be seen. And here is how your chart should look like. When the MACD line crosses the signal line down here, as you can see, that is the blue line crossing the orange line, and in the super trend we are in a red zone, the price tends to reverse, and here the EMA is acting as support, as you can see guys. And when we are going in the other direction, that is going short, when the MACD is a blue line crossing the orange line, with the price tend to reverse. That's how the super trend indicators work. As you can see here, you can take your entries there and make your short trade, that is your long position and also your short position. Like here, you can make a long position here because the price is tending to go up and the MACD line has crossed the signal line and it went with a nice uptrend position. You can make this position. Here is how the Heikin Ashi candles work. When the MACD line crosses the signal line and the Heikin Ashi body candle is long and it has given a confirmation, don't enter the trade that the Heikin Ashi candle is not long. First of all, it should be long without wicks on top for you to make your short positions, and also vice versa for the long positions. And also the super trend line should be in the green zone. Make your entries there and take your profits in and use good risk management for you to be profitable. Remember, to be profitable as a trader, it's not about being right, it's about being profitable. Right does not matter, it's about being profitable for you to make it in your trading journey. If you are new to the channel, welcome. First of all, like our videos, watch more of our videos to know more about Forex and also learn more about cryptocurrencies and trading. And don't forget guys to subscribe and use this strategy, and I'll see you in the next